Okay, so today welcome to LeFX Academy. So today we are looking at how do you deposit and how do you withdraw through an agent. Okay, so the advantage of depositing or withdrawing through an agent, it is very quick. Okay, so you can deposit you can deposit using an agent through mobile money. Also to withdraw through an agent through mobile money, it could be Airtel, it could be MTN. Okay, these networks which are very common, so you can withdraw that even through the bank. Okay, and other method which the agent can help you with, it could be even crystal currency such as Bitcoin, Ether, and other. Okay, so now the first step is, as you can see here, there is $19.59 which we want to withdraw using an agent. So remember, LeFX is also an agent. LeFX is also an agent. LeFX is also an agent of DLive. Okay, DLive. So we'll go where when you look at your corner there, there's a sign which looks like a bag. Then next to it you see three lines. You press there. That is the option or the menu. Okay, you see where it says trade. There's the report. There's the account settings. There's cashier, language, dark theme, logout. So you go on cashier. Okay, you go on cashier. So you see there's deposit, withdraw, payments, agents, there's transfer. Okay, there's live P2P. Okay, now our interest is on payment agents, since this is a method that we are looking at. Okay, for both withdraw and the deposit. So if you want to deposit using an agent, you just go direct to the agents, to payment agents, whether you are depositing or you want to withdraw. So we press there on payment agents, we press there. Okay, so this is how it is. So it will show you exactly that you can see there are two options. There's deposit, there's also withdraw. So what you need to understand is that when you do not have dollars in your dollar account there where it is reflecting on top, you must go on cashier there, you transfer. If your dollars they are in DMT5, you can go on cashier, then you transfer them, they come to this dollar. Okay, now as you can see here, there's deposit, so you can choose payment agents. There's deposit, there's also withdraw. Now we are on deposit. If you want to deposit, you see a lot of names of agencies, a lot of them that you can choose. Okay, now I want you to focus here down here. What they are telling you is that you are doing it at your own risk. Okay, you are doing it at your own risk. As you can see here down, you are doing it at your own risk. So make sure that you choose agencies, people that you trust, okay, people that you trust. But here we are also, they also tells you to say customers are advised to check. Okay, and we are also advised to say if the information of an agent before you can do what, you can deposit, before you can transfer the funds. Are we together? So now, so meaning you need to choose the agents that you can trust. So no wonder here we are recommending you to use LeFX Academy. This is where you are seeing, this is our company, this is our academy, LeFX Academy. Okay, this is where you press. When you press there, you could see even the information. There's a number that you can call here, which is plus 26095 plus 26097574783 5. You can call and add. You can call to say I want to deposit. Then they will tell you the rate at which they will charge you those dollars. Okay, then you need also to press there. As you can see, there is the link which will take you directly into the Telegram group. If you want to know how to trade that Telegram group, there are also signals that you can enroll in those. There are signals. There's also, if you want to know how to trade boom and crash, you see the link there. They also show you how much you need to pay for you to enroll those packages there, or just join that Telegram group. Okay, now, yeah, we want to withdraw, so we'll go on withdraw. So immediately you press on withdraw, you receive they will say we have sent you an email. So meaning you need to check in your email. They will send you the email. So when you see the email, it has appeared there. Okay, so the reason why they send you an email, it could be someone has entered into your account, then he wants to see your dollars. So that person can't withdraw without having the email, because you must confirm. So here you confirm, yes, it is me. You press there. It will take you direct. The moment you confirm, it will take you direct. It will take you direct to your broker. So here you see there is by name. There's also by payment agent ID. There's also amount. So choose an agent. You choose an agent. In this case, you go direct on LeFX Academy. As you can see here, LeFX Academy. You press on LeFX Academy. There is also CR number. You get a CR number of LeFX Academy. Upon calling, they will give you the number, the CR number. Then you put 21. So this is the CR number that you need to be using. That is 2139 2939 okay, pardon. The CR, it is 21. In fact, you even put CR when putting. You indicate CR. You write 21. 21 37 9 5 7. So this is a CR number. Okay, CR number. So you confirm 21 37 957. Then what do you do? How much do you want to withdraw? If you want to withdraw the whole amount there, you put 9.59. So you want to withdraw $9.59. Then you go on withdraw. You press on withdraw. So upon pressing on withdraw, they will tell you to say, please confirm the transaction details in order to complete the withdraw. Then you confirm. Before you can do, maybe you have made a mistake. Before you can go ahead with a transaction, you must confirm. So if you have made a mistake, you can press back. You put correct details. So the payment agent, LeFX Academy. Amount, you put that. Then you go on confirm. So automatically when you go on confirm, there you have seen it as the dollars have gone. Then here your funds has been transferred. So now what you do is important notice to receive your funds. So you are not done yet. So what you need to do now, since you are not done yet, you need to call this number that you are seeing here. You must call this number that you are seeing here. You can call those details that you saw, even through the email here. You can even text through the email, so that you say I've withdrawn. Then the dollars, the cash will be deposited. It could be in MTN, it could be in Airtel. So this is how you do the transfer. You can even screenshot this information. In case they are misunderstanding, you can screenshot so that you show them the proof of payment. So this is for today. on how to deposit and how to withdraw using an agent. Goodbye and God bless.